Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is sort of a random, out of the blue video, but I wanted to share my thoughts with you on the new Erin Condren seasonal surprise box. Normally, I embed this quick pre-review almost into a weekly vlog, but because of the way the vlogs are lining up with my travels this month, I didn't have a way to sort of fit it in from when it arrived until when they were going on sale. So I'm just doing this quick video on its own so that I can share my thoughts with you. Every quarter, Erin Condren releases a seasonal surprise box. It is always $35 with shipping included, and it's an assortment of items, usually somewhere between 6 and 8 items that are a combination of sneak peeks and exclusives to the surprise box that you can't get unless you order the box. I did a video over the summer that went through all of the prior seasonal surprise boxes up to that point and everything that they'd included so that you can get a feel for the products that they typically include, the styles they typically include, etc. The team over at Erin Condren does send the box to me in advance for review. However, we are trying to avoid spoilers for the people that do truly love to be surprised. So we are not sharing the contents of the box until they start to ship. But I do know that a lot of you like to hear sort of my general thoughts without spoiling any of the products. I'm not going to tell you what any of the products are. So if you're here for that, that's not what this video is. What I want to tell you is really how many products are coming, how many are exclusives, how many are sneak peeks, and then sort of my thoughts. Am I excited about these products? And hopefully that gives you some sort of feel whether it's something that you want to purchase or not. They do go on sale Monday, November 11th, and then they will start to ship like a week or two after that. I don't know the exact date yet. So the box itself is the same size as the normal Erin Condren seasonal surprise boxes. I know that some quarters we've had like a different shaped box, whether it's bigger or I don't think we've ever had a smaller one. But just so you know, it's a normal size box. There are 7 items in this quarter seasonal surprise box, and only 1 is a sneak peek. 1. 6 of the 7 items are exclusive to the box. So if you're somebody who loves the exclusives and you just can't handle when there's products that were exclusive that you didn't get your hands on, then I would definitely recommend getting this box. I have to tell you though that the 1 item that's a sneak peek is probably my favorite item in the box. So it's kind of hard because I feel like I could get that 1 item. It's going to be available in the shop. There is 1 other item that I do really like that's exclusive to the box, but I kind of feel like I can't tell you to get the box just for that one exclusive item if you're not really into exclusives. I will say that this is not my favorite box from them, and you can watch some of my past videos to see the things that I like to find in my box and the things that I'm not as excited about, but this is not one of my favorite boxes. I will tell you that this box is very planner heavy. So this is a good box if you like when they include a lot of planner items. I will also say that this box is really good if you use the on-the-go folio system. That's all I'm gonna say. If you use that system, then I think you would really like this box. All right, that's all I can tell you without completely spoiling it and ruining the surprise for everybody, but I hope that that helps a little bit in making the decision on whether or not you need this quarterly surprise box. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite seasonal surprise box that you've ever ordered was. Can you remember? Can you at least remember the best product that you ever got in a surprise box? For me, it was definitely the umbrella. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thank you so much for watching. Happy planning.